guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing down below. We're on our way to Willow Springs for Jimmy Up Matsuri. Got my boys in the car, and we are currently stuck in traffic because people can't drive and they get into car accidents. He'll be fine. Oh look, another accident. We're about 2 hours late, thanks to Dallas.
I didn't forget my helmet.
Actually, thanks to Dallas, I grabbed my helmet, so thank you for that. I gotta do some work on the car and then start training some tires. Catch you guys on track. So I went out for the first session, tried to test my hydro brake. Didn't work. I sent it right off the track. I got some GoPro footage, so I'm gonna cut that in right here. And I made damage to the car. Rest in peace, fender. Yep. It's okay, we'll fix it. What do you think about that full send I did in front of you?
I was not ready for that shit. I was like, whoa!
I was like, wait, I have no traction, I'm coming off, fuck it.
And then I was like, oh, it's Luke, okay, he knows what he's doing.
So I already burned a set of tires. 4 of the tires are not gonna work since they're on those 60-inch wheels. That only leaves me with 4 more wheels. It's gonna be a short day, so I'm gonna take it easy, try to record some other drivers. Got Fredric Aasbo in the house.
What's up?
Checking out 240s.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Hey, should I make him drive my stock A, see how good he really is? Comment down below, maybe we'll make a separate video on that one. Hopefully these tires last a little longer than the first ones. Maybe we'll even hit somebody, we'll see.
What's up? You gonna let Aasbo take your vert?
What's up?
You let Aasbo take the vert out?
I don't know if he can handle all that power.
Woo!
So it's always disappointing leaving the track with car problems, but that's just racing. I feel like I didn't get the full potential of the day at the track, but at least I know what I gotta fix now. It's damn brakes. It's a third event in a row that I'm having issues with the rear caliper dragging. I thought I fixed it, but apparently not. So time to take it back to the shop, fix it, and then come out here and try it again. Hopefully I got some good footage out of the runs that I did successfully. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you comment down below and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.